Hello guys, last class we see about what and all requirement we have as per client. That one we see, and today we are going to learn how it will works in Power BI, and practically how it will works. We'll see that. And this is the business requirement sheet. Already we know about this, and after that this is the Power BI desktop. If one second, yeah, this is the Power BI tool. After double clicking this, you can able to see like this screen, and here you need to go to blank report, and you can able to see other options as well, but we need to select blank report. After selecting that, you can able to see like this desktop. This is the Power BI desktop. Here only what and all information we need to do, and what and all data cleaning and creating visualization, everything we can able to see here. Here you can able to see file option, and this is home page, and this is insert, and this is modeling, and this is view, and this is option, and this is help. This is the ribbon for our Power BI desktop. In file you can able to save and import, export, get data, share, and like this options you can able to see, and you can able to sign in here, and options and settings also you can able to use, and about Power BI also you can able to see in this option. After that, home page. In home page you can able to see report view and table view and model view. This is the views. This is also important question and interview question as well. You will get how many views we have in Power BI desktop, like that interview question you guys can able to get. And we have a 3 views: report view, second one is table view, and third one is model view, and fourth one is data query view. This is the new option. Recently we got update about DAX query view, but currently we are not using this one, and I will show you where we are going to use data. And the second option is insert. In insert also you can able to see some options, this and all visualization, and if you want to add you can able to add, and shapes, button, text, like this. Some options you can able to see under insert. And next option is modeling. In modeling you can able to see like a table view, a new table, and new parameter, and language, and the schemas, everything you can able to see under modeling view. After that, view option. In your view option, custom pages you can able to do here, like this customs, what and all customs you want, you can able to select that screen. If you want this one you can able to select that one, and basically it will be in default this format, and if you want you can able to select whatever options you want, and as per your client requirement you can able to select that. And here browse for themes options you can able to see, and theme gallery also you can able to see, and customize current theme also you can able to see, and save the current theme, and how to create theme. This type of options also you can able to see under view options. And after that, here page layout. This is a very important, page layout, in the sense page view. Here you can able to see fit to page, fit to width page, and actual size, like this options you can able to see. That one, in the sense whatever here you guys can able to see one line, right? This is the page layout, and you can able to make fit to width. Now you guys can able to see it's increased there, that size, in the sense this page size. And if you want actual size also you can able to select this one little bit more, in the sense zoom type of options. And fit to page, in the sense small kind of regular page. And mobile layout, and grid line, and filter, bookmark, selections, like this some options you can able to see under view option. After that, you guys can able to see optimize option. In optimize also you can able to see like a refresh option, and pause visualization options. Going forward you guys can able to understand what and all these options and how this one will works. After that, you can able to see help option, In help options also you can able to see some options, and in practical session you guys can able to see what and all those options and how it will works. For more information, please follow my page and please follow my instruction. Thank you.